calm on the surface but paddling like a Dickens underneath. These beloved species can grow in the wild, on a farm, or even in our homes. They even became an inspiration for many cartoon characters we grew up with. There are many reasons to love these emotional and intelligent species.
Hello, friends. My name is Mohini Sinha, and I'm an acrylic artist from India. So, most of you know me from my Instagram, that is Mohini Art Gallery. So, this time I have brought something special for you guys, that is the intermediate level painting. So, this is the painting which we will be doing in the complete process. Your class project will be this only. So this painting is actually intermediate level painting. But yes, beginners can also try this painting because I haven't cut out any video. There is no fast forward video in this. So you can, even the beginners can try this painting because it is completely step by step painting. And I hope you will like this painting. And if you are trying out this painting, do share your project works as well as tag me on my Instagram, that is Mohini Art Gallery. And if you want to learn more of these types of paintings, you can check out my website, that is mscreativearts.com. The link is given below, so you can check it out. So without waiting, let's start with the painting.